All right, welcome back to another episode of What the Fork. Thanks to everybody that's been watching and subscribing to the videos. We really appreciate it. Today I'm coming at you with a brand new recipe from me to you, ground turkey spaghetti, and we're going to make the spaghetti sauce from scratch just like they do in Italy. Am I for real? Yeah, I'm for real. They do it just like this in Italy. No Prego, no Ragu jar sauce. We're not doing that right now. All right, so here I have a couple fresh ingredients, some basil, some oregano, got some thin spaghetti, got our can of tomato puree, however you want to say it, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of other things that we're going to throw in there. And of course, we need that pound of ground turkey. So let's get right to it. Before you make the sauce, make sure you pour a nice glass of Merlot, because if you don't pour or drink Merlot when you're making the sauce, it's not coming out right. All right, go ahead and fill the bottom of your pan up with some olive oil. And this is about 4 bulbs of chopped fresh garlic. Add that to the pot. And then you want to go ahead and throw your ground turkey in there. And we're going to season it with a little bit of salt because turkey's bland. So we want to season the meat up. Do some cracked black pepper. And then a little extra spice. We're going to throw the Italian seasoning on there. All right, so we're going to get the turkey nice and browned up. Mix it up. Get everything brown. And once that's done, we're going to add the 28 ounce can of tomato puree. We're going to add a 6 ounce can of tomato paste. Keep the tomato paste can because you need 6 ounces of water also. So just go ahead and fill the tomato paste can up and go ahead and dump it into the pot once that's done. Just like that. All right, so next we're going to add our fresh ingredients, which is some handful of chopped basil, pinch of oregano, fresh, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we're going to hit it with a little dash of onion powder, and we're going to mix this all up. And make sure when you cook this for about 2 to 3 hours, you want to cook it with the pot top halfway off so that the water releases, so that way your sauce thickens. And this is what it looks like halfway. See the consistency? Everything looks nice and thick. That's how you want it to look. All right. Now, once it's done, you can go ahead and add your Romano cheese. And if you have some mushrooms or something like that that you want to add to it, you can do that too. But I'm going to add some grated Parmesan cheese to mine. Then I'm going to go ahead and get that mixed in. And our sauce is ready. We're going to plate it up. Sprinkle a little extra Romano cheese on there because that never hurt anybody. And there you have it. Ground turkey spaghetti from scratch. Fresh Romano cheese. Everything is good. Thanks for subscribing and watching the videos. Remember, turn on the notifications. It's What the Fork.